Good day. So let's evaluate cos of 15 degrees using sum and difference identities. And we know this, or at least we should know this, if, actually I'm going to use cos of alpha minus beta, which is equal to cos alpha times the cos of beta plus the sine of alpha times the sine of beta. So in this case, of course, our alpha will be 45, beta will be 30 degrees. Okay, so using the formula here, the identity, right? So cos of A, so cos 45 degrees, times cos of beta, so cos of 30 degrees, plus sine of 45 degrees, times sine of 30 degrees. This is what we have. And now we can just, well, I mean, you could use, of course, a calculator to figure these values out, but of course, I shall use the special triangles, the 30, 60, 90, and the 45, 45, 90. So 30, 60, 90, 1, 2, root 3, or 1, root 3, and 2, and 45, 45, 90, 1, 1, and root 2. And of course, we should have degrees there. Always forget. So, cosine of 45 degrees. How do we evaluate that? Well, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, 1 over root 2. And I'll rationalize this, so multiply by root 2 over root 2, because we don't want to see a radical in the denominator. It just looks ugly. It looks ugly. So we have 1 times root 2, root 2, root 2 times root 2, 2. Square root of 2 over 2. That is the value of cos 45. Great. Now we have cos of 30 degrees. We can take the 30 degrees right here. Cos is again adjacent over hypotenuse, so root 3 over 2. Then we have sine 45 degrees. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we also get 1 over square root of 2, which is square root of 2 over 2. And finally we have sine of 30. Sine of 30 is 1, because that's the opposite, over 2. Great. Now let's combine these. Square root of 2 times square root of 3, square root of 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Look at that. So now square root of 2 times 1, square root of 2. 2 times 2, 4. Then we already have a common denominator, which I'll put on the bottom, and I'll combine the tops, or the numerators. We'll add them. And there we go. That is the answer. So cos of 15 degrees is equal to the square root of 6 plus 2. Sorry, the square root of 6 plus the square root of 2 all over 4. And if you want to confirm and check, go ahead. Plug that into the calculator. Then plug this. And of course, they must be the same, because we've done this right. That's it.